What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the all-new OtterBox Traction Series case for the iPhone XS and XS Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, check it out, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. The Traction case comes in this premium OtterBox packaging and is also available at the Apple Store as well to try out. As you can see, it is a hybrid style case, very similar to the Symmetry case. It has a polished crystal clear back to show off the color and look of your iPhone, with TPU rubberized sides for added drop protection, as well as these grooves that are engraved into the rubber to give you added grip. You can see this is the black model with a hint of green color splash, but if you want something a little bit more vibrant, they do have a few other brighter colors available. To install this case onto the iPhone, it's pretty simple, just like the other Symmetry style cases. I usually go button side first, and it just pops into place. Bit of a tight squeeze, but once you have it on, this is what it should look like. Taking a quick overview of this case, starting off with the top here, we do have an excellent amount of bezel protection with this rubberized material wrapping around the entire bezel border of the phone. You can also see here, amazingly, this case is perfectly compatible with my edge-to-edge tempered glass screen protector. Moving on towards the sides, we have covers for the power button, volume rockers. They still get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them, a small cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. And lastly, on the bottom, we have 3 individual cutouts for the lightning port, stereo speakers, and mic. Finally, on the back side of the case, we do have a generous cutout for your dual camera and flash. And then one of the most highlighted features of the Traction case is the crystal clear back that shows off the Apple logo, iPhone logo, and of course the color of your phone. Overall guys, just like the OtterBox Symmetry case, I do like the OtterBox Traction case. One thing I like about this case a little bit more than the Symmetry case is that you do get a slightly better grip thanks to the engraved grooves on the side of the rubber material. For those of you with an active lifestyle, you may appreciate this color splash design, as it would match really nicely with many active apparel. Or for those of you who are looking for a clear case, this is definitely a great choice, as a crystal clear back doesn't have any textured finishes, matte finishes, or anything of the sorts that would block the look of your phone. And one advantage of this clear case over the traditional clear case is that because the rubber sides are colored rather than transparent, this has zero chance of yellowing because it's all colored in black. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, the only thing I can complain about really are the button covers. You still get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them, like I mentioned earlier, but they are a little bit stiff to press, so they do require a little bit extra pressure to actuate the button. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a slim, protective, active style looking iPhone case, you definitely can't go wrong with the OtterBox Traction case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.